Alright, YouTube, I'm back. Sorry for all that commotion. But, like I was saying earlier, here they go. Come on, zoom in.
Last time I checked.
Alright, sorry for all the commotion. But, like I was saying, here's a 2005 P Ocean View nickel. And then here's the one I found. See if I can. Come on. There we go. As you can see, there's no date. It's a Philadelphia mint, but there's no date. Let me see if I can get this thing to zoom in. Kind of stay back. There we go. And it is one of the ocean views. This is my very first one. Excuse the shaking is in my hand. So if y'all know anybody got seen anything like this, let me know. Shoot, the way I'm flashing them, it look like a little double die on the P. Or is that a D? Or is that a S? It's something. But y'all look at it. Let me know. Like, subscribe if I don't do it at all. Just doing it for the fun of it. So y'all be blessed and be safe out there.